Alright, check out this Chevy 2004 SSR retractable hardtop pickup. Back in '04 when Chevrolet came out with this, kind of the throwback to the old 50s street rod pickups. Now, this particular vehicle is in slingshot yellow, as you can see. Has a clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirms miles. Is a 2-owner vehicle. So all is good there. Will come with a clear Minnesota title. Underneath the hood, 5.3 liter V8. And of course, that's paired up with a 4-speed automatic with overdrive transmission. And of course, all your power goodies. As far as brakes, steering, AC, everything like that. Now, a couple things that were added on as far as options on this one. It does have the cargo compartment with the wood trim. Has the tow package insert in the back and the custom SSR floor mats. Leather seating. Buckets, of course. Center console and everything else stock as far as the stereo and the dash. And again, the top is power. It's a hard top retractable. Now I'm going to check out the still pictures of this. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website where all the pics are. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. This is a good sounding, nice driving truck. I believe it was a little over 40,000 miles. We'll check the odometer when I start it up for you. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this hot rod to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. You can consult with your sales associate when you call in or email us. All right, let me pull that key out a second. So, of course, options, power mirror, switch right there, and then in the center console will be your locks, windows, power tops, traction control, steering wheel controls here in the steering for driver's information center, audio controls also for volume and seek. Take a look at the condition of the seats, also very nice, not showing a bunch of wear or rips or tear. As you can see, power seat, also heated. Alright, let's fire this up for you. We'll check those exact miles. Alright, as you can see, no warning indicator lights on, anything like that. Just that seatbelt light since I don't have my seatbelt on. And yes, 44,287. Then again, 2-owner clean Carfax, 44,000 miles. Dash is in good shape. Interior is what you would expect out of a 2004. Well taken care of. Slip around to the back. No crazy mods as far as exhaust, anything like that. Some nice sounding Chevy V8 underneath the hood. Now I'm going to slip around to the front here, pop this hood, and let's take a peek at what it looks like in the engine bay. Alright, so here 5.3 underneath the hood. And as you can see by this headliner, this vehicle has not been driven in any climate weather. Very, very clean underneath here. I did notice when I was popping the hood, there are a few little touched up spots on the hood, and there are pictures of those, so you can see that in the still pictures. In the still pictures, it also shows it comes with the owner's manual, and there is a original window sticker that comes with it too. See how smooth that 5.3 is running. Like I said, just what you'd expect out of a low mile 2004 Chevy. And again, those still pictures, you can check out that window sticker, check out the undersides. Still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us at 507-386-1726. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this truck to where you're located at. It may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.